On today's video, we're making Mexican spiced ribeye, and believe you me, this one is a game changer. All right, so first things first, let's go ahead and get the butter made up. This is kind of a take on a compound butter, except you're not gonna mix it all up and then put it in the fridge. I melt the butter, mix everything up, and then we rock and roll with it. The flavors will develop a little bit more overnight, but you know, who cares? 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of garlic, fresh garlic. We are gonna zest a lime, and we're gonna juice it. So the juice of 1 lime. And then I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of SPG. In a windstorm, yeah. If you can't tell, the wind is blowing like 40 miles an hour here. So the show must go on. Let's go ahead and move this to the side. Now, for the steaks. I'm gonna do a light trim on these steaks. Just take off a little bit of this fat. I'm not a big fan of it. You may be. If you are, keep it on there. And then keep your comments to yourself. I'm just kidding. A lot of people take their ribeye fat extremely serious. I'm gonna go ahead and leave that on. Now, the rub we're gonna be using is actually from a private community that we have called the Kosmos Q Lab, which probably most of you do not know about. It's a private community that's free to get in, but we test, you know, kind of what we think are popular flavors, and those people in that private community get first dibs at testing them, and they get to vote, do we keep it or do we kill it? Does it make the Kosmos line up or do we kill it? So I'm gonna put a link if you are interested in that aspect of what we do. I'm gonna put a link down in the description. Click on the link, sign up. It'll take your email, probably your text message or your phone number for text messages, but most importantly, get in the Facebook group. That's where all the gold is. They get a 15-minute jump on every drop that we do. Currently, we're doing them monthly with a few bi-monthly. So we're gonna season it up. Fajita seasoning. Funny note, when we release this, there's a couple people that was like, well, all that is taco seasoning. And I'm like, yeah, but is it? If we're calling a spade, you know, isn't a taco and a fajita just the same thing? The only difference being how the meat is either ground and or cut. This would make this a fajita seasoning because chances are I'm gonna take a bite of this steak, it's gonna go in the fridge, and then I'm gonna cut it up and put it on tortillas tomorrow. A little bit of SPG, can't go wrong with that. That is really gonna pop well with the butter we got here. And then back over top again. I really like to press this rub in there, just get it deep down in there. And then use all the extra on your cutting board for the edges. Just like that. Now we got the Weber running at what appears to be nuclear temp. So we're gonna go back there, we're gonna run them on the grill grates, we're cooking direct. We're gonna get the, I know I always say hashtags, the grill marks, the hash marks, whatever you wanna call them. I'm gonna shoot for perfect grill marks on this thing with a perfect medium/medium rare. So let's get to cooking. All right, little duck fat on them. Lube up that grill grate. Steak 1, going down. Hey Siri, set a timer for 1 minute and 10 seconds.
1 minute and 10 seconds. Counting down.
Woo-wee! We're gonna nail this one, dude. We're gonna nail this one like a split hog. That's what I'm talking about. Whoop whoop! Oh yeah. It's gonna work right here. We're gonna look like we know what we're doing. Woo, come on now, here we go. Look at that. Talk to me, Goose.
Show me the way home, buddy.
Let's see what we're working with. 109. Boom, we got a winner. come on now. Now let's get that butter. Get that butter going. That is what I'm. Hey, can you smell this, dude? You smell this butter? Dude. I'm telling you. This is what I love about this method. You just roll it back. Get off there. Sorry. That's legal. That's my steak now. Nobody can have it. Boom. Woo. Man, I feel like that steak is so good, I shouldn't be manhandling it. No one is going to catch what I did there. No one is. Did you catch it, Colton? Wes?
What'd you do?
You didn't catch what I did there? If you find out, leave me a comment down below. If you can catch what I did there, leave me a comment down below. I tell everybody, you should watch my videos without any sound. You'll learn probably way more than you would with sound. I just do so many tips and tricks that nobody catches, and I also screw up. None of them. There's a whole room of them. None of them know. You do though. All right, let's see where we're at. Oh, that's a little low. It's getting a little better. It's getting a little better. All right, we'll call it. So these have rested for right at 20 minutes. And I gotta tell you, these smell freaking fantastic. Ooh, come on now. Ooh, I think I'm gonna cut right through here. Dang, come on, son. Tell me. Freaking nailed that. I'm getting good at this. All right, so I'm digging in. I can't wait no longer. Let's get a little bit of, come on. I'll get the rest for you guys. Oh my gosh, dude, that's so good. Tacos, fajitas, that butter, next level. Absolutely next level. That's so good. I'm going back in. So hey, I want to thank everybody for watching. If you want to make this recipe, head on over to kosmosq.com, print off this recipe, make it for your people. Use tortillas next time, like I should have, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace. I know my way around a good piece of meat. I always knew I was getting laid when she gave me the wink and the gun.